so in today's video, I'm giving myself curtain bangs. I've been feeling like I wanted to do this for a while, and I'm just crazy enough to do it. Let me close the window real quick. I've been letting my hair grow out for years now. I haven't really done anything to it, but I do like a bit of a curtain bang, so I'm gonna try it. I watched this video that really inspired me. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, we're not gonna bring a scared energy to my haircut. I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be fine. Let's just start. I've never cut my hair like this before. Okay, let's just go ahead and move forward. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this part and cut it. Okay, I'm gonna do it, guys. This is mental. All right. I just don't want to. Okay, we're doing this. I'm cutting it right at the bottom of my lip. The bottom lip, guys. Separate. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
We're gonna be working with one side, so put this side to the back. Now we're doing this side, she said. Gonna be pushing the hair over at an angle. And this is what we're gonna be working with. Cutting at an angle. And then hair pulled back, we have kind of a feathered look.
The clock ticks late on Thursday night.
Maybe an inch over.
Shadows stretch
Get this
along
back.
in the pale
Move over, using
moonlight.
that front piece as my guide.
Don't worry about the morning's plight. Just let the weekend take its flight.
Use my hair kind of bend a little bit and use my guide.
And go.
Okay.
Sundays come is a story untold. But Friday's call
Yeah.
is what we all
Maybe cut it at an angle.
Friday
Cut it at an angle.
lights are shining
Totally just like that.
bright,
Totally used to that.
dancing through the city's endless
That's my blonde hair.
light.
See
No
this?
need to hide,
Okay. And just
no
like that.
need
Let's
to
do that. Okay. Moving forward. We're going to take another little diagonal piece here.
let the joy ignite.
And we're going to kind of put the top down. Drop the bottom part. Follow the same diagonal line.
Monday's rush can fade away.
We'll go for my guide. Use the guide,
Tuesday's
up and down.
stress melts like snow in May.
And then we'll see.
Wednesday's plans don't matter today. Time stands still
Cut.
when the music plays. Every heartbeat echoes your name. The world turns slow and lost in flame. Just one more dance before the break of day.
That's about it. That's what we're doing.
I'm scared to death right now, to be honest. But I'm gonna just trust the process on this. I've already begun, so let's keep going. So I'm gonna take my comb, make a little piece, bring it down, cut it diagonally. Cut it diagonally here. Then we're going to repeat the process.
I'm going to inch down, take one piece, put this back, and when I bring this one over to the back is edge. Just kind of look over. Diagonally. Okay, we're going to take another little section here at the top. Put that back. And again, we'll take the front half. Diagonally. Straight it out. Creating this line right here. Creating this line. Do the top half. And then another over. Okay. Oh my god, let's make it off the guide. Let's go ahead. Rough track for sure.
So I'm gonna take this down. Just going to compare the two sides. This side is a little bit choppy, and maybe I didn't do the best job on this side, but it'll grow out. For now, I'm gonna just stop cutting at this point. I'm stopping the cutting. I said I was gonna stop cutting, but I'm gonna just kind of even it out just a little bit. Kind of even it out. Okay. Hopefully I'll get the... I mean, ultimately, I have a feathered kind of look. Some type of shaping to my hair now. What do you guys think? I don't know. But I'm gonna roll with it. Let me know, did I mess it up? Am I totally screwed? Or did I do okay? Am I gonna survive? Let your girl know.